a whisper of a world where AI writes code better than you. Is that your job replaced tomorrow? Stay with me. I'm going to reveal what's really happening behind the scenes of AI and software engineering. You might be surprised by the truth. A decade ago, people asked, will robots take our jobs? Today, the question is sharper. Can AI replace software engineers? The media is buzzing with claims, fears, and hype. But what's real, what's exaggerated, and what's coming next? Imagine you've spent years learning data structures, algorithms, debugging. Then one day, an AI tool writes your feature in minutes with fewer bugs. Would you still be essential at all? Every developer who's ever stayed up at 2 a.m. fixing bugs knows that feeling. The mix of pride and fear that your code could define your worth. That fear just got amplified by machines that never sleep. That's not science fiction. It's happening already, one line of code at a time. But it's not all doom and gloom. There's an opportunity hidden inside the fear. In this video, we'll uncover real-world examples, AI's strengths and limits, and what the next decade means for your career. You'll see exactly where humans still dominate and where AI is catching up fast. By the end, you'll know whether your career is safe and how to future-proof it. You may have heard of GitHub Copilot, an AI that writes code suggestions as you type. It's already helping developers everywhere, from solo coders to enterprise teams. Yet Copilot isn't perfect. Sometimes it hallucinates or suggests buggy logic. Developers report moments of delight and frustration when Copilot gives clever but wrong code. That's because it doesn't truly understand your architecture or your product's soul. It just mirrors patterns it has seen before. Beyond writing code, AI is being used to auto-generate test cases, find vulnerabilities, and even suggest fixes. Tools like DeepCode, Snike, and AI-driven scanners already catch hidden bugs humans might miss. They scan thousands of lines in seconds. But when context matters, tricky edge cases, performance trade-offs, architecture, humans still dominate. The AI might flag an issue, but only you know the consequences of that bug in the real world. So what does AI do really well? Repetitive boilerplate code, pattern matching, refactoring, and data-driven code synthesis. Imagine generating CRUD APIs or data layer access code in seconds. AI can bootstrap most of the boring plumbing work. It can save time, reduce fatigue, and free your brain for creative thinking. But where does AI stumble? Designing architecture for scale, handling ambiguity, understanding messy, real-life requirements. When clients change scope mid-project or a system fails at scale, only human intuition can adapt. I can't reason from first principles or empathize with users. Humans bring creativity, domain knowledge, mentorship, debugging across modules, and an eye for ethics, security, and UX. You perceive complex trade-offs and adapt under uncertainty. You can ask the why questions, challenge illogical requirements, and design systems not just to work, but to matter. A startup once used AI to build their back-end MVP in days, faster than ever before. But as traffic grew, data consistency, edge cases, and scaling problems appeared. They still needed human engineers to rebuild from the ground up. I got them 70 to 80% of the way, but humans carried it across the finish line. That's the new reality. AI is your co-pilot, not your competitor. So here's the truth. AI won't replace engineers. It will reshape engineering. You'll go from typing every line to orchestrating intelligent systems. Tomorrow's engineers will supervise, validate, and refine AI-generated code. They'll manage risk, architecture, and innovation, not just syntax. When could AI do most of a developer's job? Years? 10 years? 20? Right now, AI shines in narrow tasks: code completion, bug detection, test generation. General reasoning across full systems is still far away. Experts predict by 2030-2035, AI might handle 30 to 50% of development work. But total replacement? That's much further out, if ever. What could accelerate AI's rise? More powerful foundation models, richer training data, faster compute, self-correcting architectures. What could slow it down? Messy real-world systems, legacy code, regulations, ethics, and the unpredictable creativity of humans. This isn't AI versus humans. It's AI with humans. The future belongs to teams who learn to collaborate with machines, not compete against them. So how do you adapt? Learn system design, AI prompt engineering, debugging AI outputs, model evaluation, and double down on the one thing AI still lacks: judgment. Master communication, cross-functional thinking, and empathy for users. Because those skills will separate the average from the irreplaceable. You might feel anxious right now. You may ask, will I be obsolete? You're not alone. Millions of engineers around the world are asking the same thing. But remember this, the strongest engineers will thrive by evolving with AI, not fighting it. Fear fades the moment you start learning. But wait, that's not the full story. There's a twist. AI might actually create more jobs than it replaces. New careers are emerging. AI prompt engineers, model auditors, AI system orchestrators. Roles that never existed a few years ago. They blend creativity, domain knowledge, and oversight. Your future job might be managing entire fleets of intelligent agents. Some engineers already do this. They spend less time typing code and more time supervising AI modules. One told me, I let AI draft it, but I own the correctness and security. These are the people riding the wave, not drowning under it. Let's clear a few myths. AI will take all developer jobs by 2025. False. Human engineers will be worthless. False. AI writes perfect code. False. Every claim needs context, nuance, and oversight. That's where you come in. So, what can you do starting today? Experiment with AI coding tools. Compare its results to yours. Find its blind spots. Learn prompt engineering. Think like a system architect. And get comfortable fixing AI's mistakes. It's your ticket to long-term value. Collaborate with AI. Make it your partner, not your threat. We're standing at a turning point in history. AI is not your enemy, it's your amplifier. And the future of software engineering belongs to those who dance with it. Here's a bold thought. In 20 years, the best engineers might never type a single line of code. They'll orchestrate, supervise, and innovate with armies of intelligent agents. So maybe the question isn't, can AI replace software engineers? But rather, can you evolve into the kind of engineer AI needs? The next 5 years will decide who thrives and who fades. Choose your side. If you've ever wondered where to start adapting, your journey starts now. This channel is built exactly for people like you. Thank you for diving into this with me. If you're curious to explore real tools and strategies, comment below. Yes, show me AI tools in action. Subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss the next deep dive. And check the description. I've curated exclusive AI resources and bonus guides to help you level up fast. Let's ride this AI revolution together.